All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is not the previous garage I was in. And also, I got some explaining to do because I have not actually made a good video in quite a while. I want to apologize for that, but this is my promise here. Videos are going to start coming a lot more frequently since we got a lot more space to do stuff. Also, ignore the little bag over the filter. We are doing some detailing here. So, yeah. But anyway, as you can see, I got a new shop. Give you guys a little tour. Everything's still a mess. I haven't got my toolbox over here yet. So we kind of just got everything all over the place. But this is going to be the new shop. Our lifts are on the way. So a couple weeks out. And we should have a lift everywhere. Well, not everywhere. One in here. One to the side of where the Mustang is at now. But this is a little channel update. We're going to be doing a lot more videos. Actually, I got a sway bar kit, an exhaust, and a couple other goodies in that little box over there for a 370Z. So we're going to be doing that. That's going to be pretty cool. Got the slicks for the Mustang over there. As you notice, the Mustang has no exhaust. Actually doing something pretty cool with it. We did do some upgrades to the Mustang, so there's a little bit more suspension goodies. Waiting on a pan handbar currently, so that way we can fit everything back in there. But this engine is actually sadly going to be coming out soon. Something else is going to be going in, so that's pretty dope. Very excited for that. The Mustang is looking pretty good. No complaints so far, but we're going to get that started. We're going to be doing a video on that, hopefully once a week, if not every 2 weeks, depending on how fast parts can get here. We're also going to be doing a couple miscellaneous videos. On that one, we're doing an engine, and on the other Hyundai out there, we're doing another engine. So if you guys are interested in that stuff as well, that'll be there. But as far as the tuner cars and all the fun little stuff that we're going to be doing, that will also be uploaded. So 370Z video is going to be the next one. We're going to do a couple before and afters. We're going to get that situated. And then I got my little setup right here. Got my work computer, my editing computer. So that'll be good to go. But mainly the focus is right now getting this organized, getting the toolboxes over here so we can organize everything, getting the lifts installed. Obviously, we don't have the most amount of headroom, so there won't be the biggest lift, but it'll still be a pretty good sized lift going in. That will hopefully be sooner than later, because I can't wait to start on this. We're going to be doing a whole new front end on this. The hood's going to be coming off. The front bumper is going to be coming off. More than likely, the fenders are also going to be replaced. And we're going to have a little surprise for the rear as well. So the Mustang is still as is before, I do believe. Quick overview, we got the Hurst short throw shifter in there. We got the JLT cold air intake. I'm actually going to remove this now. SR performance coils on here. We got the Megan Racing coilovers in the front, KYB shocks in the rear. Ford Racing rear end now. Ignore the broken side skirt, that's also being replaced. Ford Racing rear end is installed. It's 373, I do believe. The rear end is, and then we got the white line suspension in front and rear. All the other stuff up front is stock and is actually coming out. We have a new radiator setup going in, pretty much new full cooling system being installed. There's going to be a couple other things we're going to be doing with the hood that you guys are going to like and stay tuned for. And then the rear tire setup's obviously going to be changed out. We got the American Muscle front rims with some Coopers, and I wish I got these Coopers in a little bit more of a meaty tire. They're not bad. I just wish I could fill up that gap a little bit more, so I can either get a bigger rim or lower it. And it is already decently low, not super low, but it's decently low. So until I get the rear situated with the pan handbar and get that realigned, probably gonna leave the front alone for right now. Maybe even go with a whole new wheel setup entirely. But this thing is gonna be pretty freaking fast. The next video, you guys are gonna see the second engine that's going in it. It's currently gonna be being built right now. It's another 4.6 3-valve, but it is not gonna be stock. It is gonna be fully forged from the crankshaft all the way up to the top. including, you know, strengthened studs, better lifters, better rockers, everything. We're going to be doing everything on it. We're probably going to make a video on us building it too, a little time lapse. We got a couple more parts that are already here for the Mustang that just aren't installed yet, like the BBK upgraded throttle body and a couple other things. So pretty much I just want to give you guys a little update. A lot of stuff has been going on, so I do apologize, but we will be getting this back in action. And if you guys even want to stay around for the miscellaneous teardowns and rebuilds of these other vehicles, those will probably come out like once a month or so. We're not going to make a full series on it. That's just something that we are going to be doing here for customer cars. So if you guys like the video so far, you know, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Any ideas you got, feel free to comment down below. I am getting a permanent shop car, and what I mean by permanent shop car is a car we are keeping 100%, other than the Mustang, obviously. We are going to be getting another car that we are 100% keeping. I'm not going to say what it is yet. It'll be here this weekend. We're going to be doing a lot of rebuilding to it, upgrading it, and having fun with it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and see you till next time.